What if you got a hiccup that never stops? Hour 1. A hiccup comes every 3 seconds. For 1 minute, it feels funny. After an hour, it becomes annoying. 24 hours later, you can't sleep. Speaking becomes difficult. Day 2. The body starts feeling weak. Breathing rhythm gets disturbed. The brain and diaphragm become confused. Day 8. Continuous muscle spasms cause severe fatigue. Dehydration and weight loss begin. Pressure builds on the heart and lungs. Month 1. The body's daily cycle completely breaks down. Eating, sleeping, and speaking. Everything is affected. Mental stress, anxiety, and frustration increase. Year 1. Focus and memory become weak. Breathing is no longer smooth. It becomes shallow and irregular.